Hello everybody. I had to sit down for this video, but here I am with a lot of vitamin C and I'm going to unbox everything for you. But can we start with a little bit of story time? I know I'm not the first person that this has happened to, but there was something that I paid for in March from Louis Vuitton. I was in a pre-order group. Item released, and after about 3 weeks, I didn't have it. My store was not able to get any information. It was just showing up as unavailable, unavailable, unavailable. And I was starting to get upset because of the price point and the fact, I could have put that money in a Dogecoin, you know what I'm saying? And I could have had like 5 times that amount of money. So I kept going back through the main Louis Vuitton support and being told one thing. I kind of feel it's a game. I feel if you know who your pre-orders are, you have their money in your hand, you need to let these stores and boutiques know when to expect these items in. This isn't rocket science. They're the ones that changed the game. Used to be you could put your name on a list, the item releases, and you took your chance and then you paid for it. But if I paid for something in March and I still don't have it as the next month is closing and I have no traction on it, then we have a problem. Mothership Louis Vuitton is telling me different areas where one of these bags are across the country. Okay, but since this is a limited item, these stores aren't going to give it up. And that one item that they have could be a display, but I tend to doubt it with this item. You made it so we couldn't call stores directly, right? You call a store, you get routed to the mothership. The fact that I didn't get my information, the fact that everybody was confused. I would deal with my store, even the manager got involved, and their system is saying it's not available. So I made a decision that I wasn't playing this game. They want the buzz and they want the hype. If you know you have store X has 10 customers that paid for an item, then you need to let that store know when they're going to get those 10 items. That's just how I feel. But that's not how it rocks. And I could play the game or not, depending on how much I wanted this item. The other weekend I go online and I see one of these bags was already on Fashion File at $1,000 more than what it was selling for. But I'm still not being told about this bag that I pre-ordered. You know what? I'm not playing this game. Cancel the order. I'm done. I am done playing this game. And I don't care what size business you have. That's just not cool. And this is not a rant on my CA or my store. My rant is with the mothership and how they're communicating this information to say, we're not getting it to you until such and such a date. When one door closes, another one opens. I don't know if some of you guys are like me. You get the box, you get, you know it's a bag and all of that, but you kind of like stare at the box for a couple days. Like you don't. Yeah, I did that. The box was sitting there. I knew what it was. And then I did the cut, opened it up. And then I still left it sitting there. And my husband's like, are you opening this? This is my first Hermes bag. I am happy because this is a bag I have been looking for. I have tried on in numerous stores from Vegas to Hawaii. And now I finally have it. We'll start with the little bubbles. I got these from the Hermes website. I got matching ones. Matching twillies. The Bride's de Gala. This is the second one. Is the charm that I got. It looks so nicely wrapped. I have to send this man a text message for just he was amazing. He was awesome. I think we talked for 30 minutes on the phone, and it wasn't just about what I was looking for. The little handbag charm. It's listed as the orange bag accessory. The color is Rose, I'm going to say Mexico. Okay, so here we go. It's the dust bag. Oh wow. Here she is. This is the Garden Party. Maganda cap leather. Hermes 36. And I've already ordered the bag organizer from Samorga. I have no experience with Samorga, so maybe you can tell me below, but I think it said it takes a while to get the actual organizer from them. So if you know this for a fact, I know a lot of you use Samorga, please let me know below because I would love to know. I did already order it. I ordered it before this came. Yeah, she's pretty. I like her. This is a new color for me. That's why I got the bag styling accessories in more colorful bits, because I have this to work with, so I can just go crazy on this. It has a snap top, so that's great. It has snaps on the side, so you can undo them depending on the amount of items you have in the bag. It has a very generous interior wide pocket, zips, very generous size. And there's the interior. I do think this is gorgeous. That little baby on there. I think I'm going to be an accessory monster with this bag. My experience with them on buying an actual bag was very positive. I don't know if that's going to be my next experience with buying a bag. I keep looking at her because, like I said, I have tried her on so much and I can't believe it's sitting in my house. And I have tried on so many colors. The leather feels soft and very much caviar-like, and I like that. That's something that I really love in my jumbo. Thank you for watching my special unboxing, because this is my first Hermes bag, so it is special to me. Of course, I will be reviewing the bag down the line. If you have some info on Samorga shipping, please let me know below. I do expect it to take a few weeks, and they did make that clear on their website, so I appreciate that. Any special things I should be getting to put on this baby to make her look gorgeous, I would appreciate that information. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit notifications so that you know when I post more content, and check out my other videos and my other unboxings. And if you have questions on things I've bought in the past, feel free to ask. There's a name change on my YouTube and a name change on my Instagram, but I have changed everything across the board. All my platforms is My Cosmo Lifestyle. I'm more of a lifestyle person, not just bags, but other things and other information that I'll be sharing. So make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye. Have a good day.